lanes when the niggas stomp the gas. Ditching motherfucker shit and rubber up the overpass. Bobbing doing donuts with my hood up in the overcast. Walking like you tough until I pull up and I smoke your ass like a motherfucking dopey. Get you